Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The world's most remote ATM is run by Wells Fargo in the Antarctic. The ATM serves around 1,200 residents at the US scientific facility. Cotton swabs can be fatal because they can perforate the eardrum and cause brain inflammation and meningitis, leading to death. Cacti make the perfect houseplant as they can live up to 200 years with little care. Apple seeds, cherry apricot, and peach pits contain cyanide, but it takes a large amount of each to make you sick or kill you. During peak growing season, the US corn belt does more photosynthesis than anywhere else on the planet. An earthquake followed by a landslide in 1958 in Alaska's Lituya Bay generated a wave of 100 feet high, the tallest tsunami ever documented, when the wave ran ashore. The closest living relatives of hippopotamuses are whales, dolphins, and porpoises. This is the whole world in one picture. 10% of Filipinos, approximately 10 million people, live overseas. The country with the highest amount is the United States, with almost 4 million Filipinos. Victorian perfume bottle. 3 inches of ice can support one person on foot, 4 inches can support a group of people. Single file 36 inches can support up to 110 tons of weight. A rare book to teach sewing with small samples. The book is originally from Ireland and dates back to 1833. Taco Bell has been proven to be a huge flop in Mexico as Mexicans were confused by the Americanization of the traditional cuisine. Marvel Comics once owned the rights to the word zombie. You are not the only one that God created in this world, but you are the only one that God created in my heart. Lightning makes no sound until it strikes. Cereal is the second largest advertiser on television today behind automobiles. The smallest constellation has just 4 stars. All humans share a common ancestor known as mitochondrial Eve, who lived about 150,000 to 200,000 years ago in Africa. She is the most recent woman from whom all living humans descend through their maternal line. Audi, one of Germany's oldest established automobiles, 4 interlocking rings symbolizes the merger of 4 independent motor vehicle manufacturers. 64% of consumers have made a purchase decision based on social media content. Weaver birds use vicious thorns to protect their nest from predators. Nowadays, people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. The sunny water is just purified tap water and does not come from a natural spring. A sudden change of body's temperature affects the immune system, making you more prone to cold and putting you at risk of various diseases. Also, the first rains of the season can be acidic and may damage our skin and hair immensely. You is the hardest word to translate. The earth pulls everything towards itself. We know it as gravity. When we climb stairs, we are required to put that extra effort to counter the force of gravity. When we come downstairs, the same gravity works in the direction of our movement, requiring lesser energy from us. Thermal camera developed to detect temperature and social distancing violations. Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are change that we seek. Barack Obama. The length of hair does not directly impact the amount of hair fall. However, it may appear as though someone with longer hair experiences more hair fall because the loss of hair strands from long hair is more visible, easily noticeable than shorter strands. Hubble telescope records 1.4 m observation in its 30 years of service. Around 32 million rupees, which in 2020 would be approximately 70 billion rupees, was spent to build Taj Mahal in 1653. One's desire to do something is directly related to a feel-good chemical that the brain expects. Most completion of a task. List out the most desirable activities of your day, and when you complete a workout session, reward yourself with one from the list. Each time your brain gets the rewarding neurotransmitter, it will want you to repeat the associated behavior. Tom Stuker, the most frequent flyer in the world, has flown over 21 million miles, which is roughly 844 times around the equator. He completed his last million miles in a little over 6 months in 2019. He pays out of pocket for every one of his trips and saves his miles to give to his family members. Top 5 most surprisingly smartest animals. Rats. African grey parrots. Elephants. Bottlenose dolphins. Chimpanzees. Thanks for watching.